So this is the new microphone by DJI, the DJI Mic Mini, and it sure is small. Just look at the size of this new microphone. So this is DJI's tiniest and cheapest wireless microphone, and DJI completely changed the game introducing their DJI Mic series. If you're an actual content creator, you need to have good audio, and now we have the DJI Mic Mini, an even smaller, cheaper, more affordable option from last year's DJI Mic 2. So what is actually new on this new DJI Mic Mini? Well, let's have a look. Firstly, the size of this. If you look at it compared to the DJI Mic 2, it is much smaller. This weighs 10 grams, the DJI Mic 2 weighed 28 grams. Now the DJI Mic 2, I absolutely love this microphone. I use this like literally all the time. So popular. Most content creators now, they've either got this or the previous version. But this is for somebody who hasn't got a wireless microphone. They're just wanting to get into actually wireless audio. They want to improve their audio game without spending as much as a DJI Mic 2. But the size of this microphone is incredible. I mean, you look at the DJI Mic Mini and that is a pound coin. You can see that. It's literally like almost the same size as a pound coin, but we're getting really good audio like this. So you can barely tell I'm actually wearing this because it is so small. Now, a good feature on here as well, so on the actual DJI mic is on the back of it, you've got this clip, so you can actually clip this onto your clothing using the clip here, but it's also got this magnetic clip as well. So if you've got like a t-shirt on, you could actually have this on your t-shirt and just clip this together. But most of the time, I'm just using the actual supplied clip just so it can go on your jacket. And it's also going to come in two different colors. So if you wear predominantly dark colors like I would, then the black one is going to be great. But if you're doing lots of like interviews, you're wearing like white shirts, white clothing, then it's also going to come in Arctic white as well as the black color. So two different versions. It's also going to come in two different combinations as well. Now onto the microphone itself, on the side of it, you've got a power button and the pairing button. I'll talk about pairing and how it actually works with different devices in a second. But if you're also in a really noisy environment, you want to actually take away some of that noise, you can just hit the power button once and that will activate the noise cancellation mode. On the side of it now, you have like this little green icon, so you can tell noise cancellation is on. You hit that again and noise cancellation will come off. So if you're in an area where it's really noisy, then that's going to be a really handy feature for you. So typical England weather, it is actually pouring down now, but let me tell you about the different versions. So it's going to come in two different colors like I've just mentioned, but the actual version is going to be a couple of different ones you can get. I'll put them on the screen now. But if you get the combo, this is one I would highly recommend you getting. You're going to get then two different of these transmitters and you're going to get one receiver. You're also going to get the two windscreens as well and the connectivity for your phone. Now the actual receiver is currently on my camera, so I can't show you that, but a great feature that I love finally about this new case, not only is it smaller and lighter, you can actually put the windscreens in the top now and close this and you can have it all completely together. Whereas in the past on the DJI Mic 2 and previous versions, you'd have to have it separately. The windscreens wouldn't go in here. So you'd end up having the microphones in this case and then your windscreens like in your pocket, like this, like hoping it wouldn't fall out or you'd lose it. And the amount of ones I've lost is crazy. Now it all fits into this nice new case, and it also comes in a case as well, like a travel pouch. It looks like a wash bag. Really nice material, great to see. Also that is much smaller than previous versions as well. Okay, so onto audio. What do you think about the audio quality coming from the DJI Mic Mini? I've also got the DJI Mic 2 recording as well, so you can actually hear the difference between both of these microphones. I think it actually sounds really good, but let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Now, also a great advantage of this and any wireless microphone is that I don't have to be close to the camera like I am now. If I have a normal microphone on top of my camera, I'm going to have to be static here all the time. But maybe I want to actually show something or be in the distance or walking towards that camera. This is where wireless microphones have a huge advantage. You see, onto range of the DJI Mic Mini, it actually has a 400-meter range. So I can be completely further away from this camera and still get really good audio. And I can be all the way back here and still get decent audio. As long as I'm actually facing that receiver, it shouldn't cut out. If I was to turn my back on it, this is where you can get some dropouts. But I can literally be all the way back here and get great audio. So again, considering this is like an entry-level wireless microphone at this price point, 400-meter range, I think is really impressive. And you don't have to have this connected to your camera. You can have this connected to multiple devices. So I've now got it connected to my DJI Pocket 3. I think this is going to be a really popular and probably like the best setup for vlogging. You can just have it static like this, so you can just grab your Pocket 3 and you can actually move around, you can go places, you can be away from this camera, still getting really good audio. And I can see on the Pocket 3 screen exactly what my gain levels are. It's really convenient there. So an actual Pocket 3 is so popular now, but if you want to just grab this and get a cheaper microphone than the DJI Mic 2, this again might be a really good option for you. But loads of people are actually recording video on their phones now. Phone quality has got so much better. What if we can get fantastic video quality but also great audio as well coming from the DJI Mic Mini? So there's two ways you can actually use this with your phone. You can get the receiver and directly plug it into your phone, and then it will then transmit that audio wirelessly to your phone, and that's going to be the best type of audio you're going to be able to get. Let me show you. So now using my phone, I've got the selfie camera on my iPhone. So out of the two other examples, this is going to be like the worst in terms of video, but that audio is still going to be consistent. So you can attach this to your clothing. A lot of people put their microphones on their hats now, they just like slide it up there. So however you want to actually wear your microphone, but you're going to get good video quality from your phone, which is going to be with you majority of that time, and then a really convenient setup like this. I've got no wires attached. This is great. But you can also use it via Bluetooth, like a direct connection to your phone as well. Let's show you that. So now I've got it attached to my iPhone. I'm using the Blackmagic camera app, just on the selfie camera again. I can go into the settings and actually choose to actually select the audio directly from the DJI Mic Mini. So this is going to be good as well. If you don't want to actually have that receiver plugged into your phone, you want a really convenient setup. Now, what's great with this microphone is it does have a couple of limitations as well you need to be aware of. Firstly, this doesn't have internal storage. You see, on the DJI Mic 2, this has internal storage. So what you can do is you can hit record and it will record all your audio directly into the microphone as well. So which means you don't have to have this connected. You can simply just use this. On the DJI Mic Mini, it has to be connected to something, and that's where all the audio recordings are going to be saved. So it could be like my camera now. So all the audio files are going to be recorded on my camera, on a DJI Pocket 3, to your SD card, to your phone, to your phone's memory. It doesn't actually record any of that audio directly to here. So if you're wanting something with internal storage, this is where the DJI Mic 2 is going to be the better choice. And also the DJI Mic Mini, I think the audio, as we've mentioned, all this recording is from the DJI Mic Mini in a couple of different scenarios. It doesn't have 32-bit float. The DJI Mic 2 does. So what this will do is if you're in more of a professional scenario where you want your audio to be fantastic, where you can then go in afterwards into that editing program and you can actually adjust that audio. So if it's too loud, you can bring it down. If it's too quiet, you can also raise it as well. You have a lot more flexibility with 32-bit recording. But I think the audio out of here, it sounds great. I think this has been made for somebody who doesn't want to do any editing, doesn't want to do any tweaking afterwards. They simply want to just record wireless audio and just use that straight away without any need of any post-processing. So it's been designed so the audio automatically sounds good. It does have automatic clipping. So if we talk really loud like this, it will make sure that that audio doesn't clip, and that's all done automatically for you via the software. So I think this is going to be for somebody who wants to start vlogging. They might already be vlogging and they want to improve their audio quality. This is going to be a great choice. Now, it's not going to be an upgrade over the DJI Mic 2 because of the additional features this has, but let's not forget the price point of this. This is like an entry-level budget, really small microphone that sounds great. You can connect this to multiple devices, really simple to use. So I think this is going to be a really popular choice for anybody just getting into audio and wanting to improve their audio game. I'll put on the screen now the couple of different versions that you can get. You can get this just on its own with a magnetic charging case, or you can go for the combination pack, which gives you this really cool travel case, and then inside of here you get the case where you can actually hold everything inside of here. So it's really convenient. You can literally just take this with you, keep it in this nice little pouch. That would be a great setup. If you get the microphone on its own, you're going to get a smaller pouch with just a magnetic base. You're not going to get this case with it. So I think this, for convenience, is well worth it. But let me know what you think about the DJI Mic Mini in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.